Hi, Lola.
Lola came to investigate.
You want to look at your new toy? Come here. Look.
What do you think, Loli? Is that pretty fun? Loli, you're tall. You're as tall as Mom and Dad now. What a big kitty.
And when you're ready to come down, you come down here. Good Sappy. She's scratching. Good Sappy. That's a good kitty. Lola, then when you're ready, you come down here, okay? Jump down here. Look in here. Good job, Lola. Hi, Lola.
Zappa likes scratching posts. That's
Yeah.
funny. I always thought that scratching posts were cruel for cats that were declawed, but
How do they
I
get
guess
up
she
here
uses it
from the
anyway.
ground?
Well, they can jump or they can get on this little piece over here and go up through the top
Come on,
hole.
Sappy.
Lola, do you need help?
Do you want to get down? There we go.
You can do it.
You mean they can get from here to here?
Well, they can get from here to here and go in through the top.
Good kitties.